So what is object-oriented programming? Before we explore what object-oriented programming is, it's important to understand a little bit about the history of programming as well. So in the 1950s, a team created a programming language called Fortran. Fortran handled data like this: do X, then do Y. So for example, find all the fired employees, then return them. Then came along this concept of object-oriented programming. Now the task would run in the background, and you would build objects to describe your data. So an example of this would be you would first define an employee and define what data it would hold, such as first name, last name, salary, title, the date hired, the date fired. Then you would build logic to find all fired employees. Focusing on the data first is why it's called object-oriented. This is awesome because you can reuse existing data, whereas with Fortran, it becomes more complex. In object-oriented programming, you have objects and classes. An employee would be an object. Any characteristics of the employee would be a class, like name, title, salary, etc. So in object-oriented programming, you can create a superclass that defines other classes. Let's take a look. So let's say we have a superclass called people. This becomes the superclass and parent class of employees and contractors. So in the people class, you would have characteristics like first name, last name, and gender. And then under employees, you would have something like date hired, date fired, department. And contractor, you would have things like a Boolean, did this contractor sign an NDA, etc. So object-oriented programming makes it easy to add new classes in a dynamic environment by letting you reuse the code. With Fortran, the old language, you would typically need to rewrite a lot of your existing code.